with these hands, watch a hater fall flat. If I die, all I know, I'm a motherfucking legend. It's so great.
So y'all, today we are installing a camber kit on the TSX. So, go ahead and break these lug nuts. So basically, y'all, camber arm is right here and goes right back there. So you have to take all these. I think it's a 19 up under there, right there, and it's a 14 or 19 in the back. So anyways, that's just a license plate, bracket, okay, camber, good shit. These are black. I want to go and spray them rose gold, so I think that's what we're going to do real fast. So anyways, y'all, I'm gonna take out this and that, then I'll come back at y'all. So guys, we got this one in. The bottom bolt right here, it's a 19. This one's a 14. This one's a little pain in the ass to get in, but it'll eventually start to go. But yeah, I got it in there, got it all adjusted. Now, I wanted to take some camber out, so that's what I did. I added a little bit of positive, so I'll come and try when it's back on the ground. So guys, there it is. Got the camber how I wanted. Fit a finger in there. For me, I wanted it flush, so you can see, pretty flush compared to the undid side. The undid side is pretty spacious in there. I'm gonna add in a tad bit more on this side and call it a day. Well, I might just leave it right there. It's kind of tight right there. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna just leave it like that. So guys, we're taking the other side. I had to replace that coilover bolt because the last one was stripped, so we put in a new one of those. Then we're working on getting this arm right here. This one isn't as hard as the other one, so basically to do this, you take out the 212s to get that out the way. Push it out the way, take your 14. It's gonna take some time, but it'll come. Then you got this 19 under here. It helps if you spray this stuff with some kind of lubricant to get it loose. It helps a whole lot. So, and spray some right there. As far as I know, all this stuff is OEM. So, I'll get back to you guys when I got it out. So, guys, got that one off. As you can see, old one. There's the new one. Doing the same thing as the other side. They're gonna take out a little bit of negative camber and leave the rest. So I'll come back and show when we are on the ground. So guys, arm is all in. This should get bent back to its original spot. And the bolts go right there, so let me do that. Then I'll be back once the car is on the ground. So anyways guys, that's it. Camber kit is on. But yeah, there you go. Camber kit.